Let's learn He Would. It's choreographed by Amy Glass. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with a restart on wall 3 after 8 counts with a step change. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about the restart, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn He Would. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot, slightly angled to the left. We're going to do a vaudeville, so you're going to cross your right over your left, step your left foot to the left side, cross your right behind your left, quickly step your left foot to the left side, and place your right heel into the diagonal. We're now going to do a ball cross side, stepping your right next to your left, cross your left over your right, and then step your right foot to the right side, completely squaring back up to the 12 o'clock wall. We're now going to cross our left behind our right, step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, slightly angled to the left, doing your vaudeville. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 2, we're going to rock our right foot to the right side. As you recover, you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. And then we're going to shuffle forward with our right, stepping right forward, left together, right forward. We're going to do a full turn over our right shoulder. You're going to make a half turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Make a half turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. We're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we rock our left foot to the left side to face 12 o'clock. Recover onto your right, and then cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. We just crossed over, rocking to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right. Step your right foot to the right side, cross your left over your right, and then make an 1/8 of a turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot to face 10:30. We're now going to rock back with our left, recover onto your right, step forward with your right foot and do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 4:30. So let's try that with some counts. We would have just done our crossover, so we're going to step to the right. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to rock forward with our left foot, recover back onto your right, do a left coaster step, stepping back with your left foot, step your right next to your left, and step forward with your left foot. We're now going to do 2 3/8 pivots. So you're going to step forward with your right foot, you're going to do a 3/8 pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step forward with your right, do a 3/8 pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock. Now, although that 3/8 pivot brings us to 9 o'clock, you want to over-rotate it, so you want your body more angled towards that 7:30 diagonal or towards the left, so that you can go into this vaudeville and it will feel a little bit smoother. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your right, you're going to rock with your left. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 with that over rotation. Now I like to add hips into my pivots, so I kind of roll my hips around as I do these pivots. You can just do pivots, or you can kind of add those hips in as well. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, slightly angled to the left, doing your vaudeville. Cross, side, behind, side, heel, ball, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, rock, quarter, recover, shuffle forward, half, half, quarter, side, rock, cross, side, cross, 1/8, rock, back, recover, step, half pivot, rock, recover, coaster, step 3/8 pivot, step 3/8 pivot with your over rotation. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, doing your vaudeville. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about the restart. The restart's going to happen on wall 3, so it'll be the first time that you're doing the 6 o'clock wall. You're going to dance up until your ball cross side And then we're going to change it from a behind side cross to a quarter turning sailor step. So let's dance up to that ball cross side, and then we'll talk about how to change that step. Weight is on your left. You'd be angled towards that 430 diagonal, doing your vaudeville. Cross, side, behind side, heel, ball, cross, side. Now, we are going to do a quarter turning sailor. Over our left shoulder, you're going to make a quarter turn, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your right foot out to the side, and then you're going to step your left foot out to the side, over rotating it so that your body is facing more towards that 130 diagonal, and then you will restart the dance. Cross, side, behind side, heel, going into your vaudeville. So let's try that through with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're going to do your vaudeville. We're going to do that quarter turning sailor step with counts. Crossing over, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. And you really want to make sure that you over rotate that sailor so that your hips are faced towards the left. And that is the whole dance. Now, the dance ends facing 12 o'clock, so you don't have to worry about an ending. Let's go around on the front and back walls. I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. We're going to dance through that restart so that you can practice the transition from the restart into the next wall. Weight is on your left, starting with your vaudeville. Cross, side, behind side, heel, ball, cross, side, behind side, cross, side, rock, quarter, recover, shuffle forward, half, half, quarter, side, rock, cross, side, cross, 8 back, rock, back, recover, step, half, pivot, rock, recover, coaster, step, step 3/8 pivot, step 3/8 pivot, vaudeville, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the wall where we'll do those 8 counts with our step change. Cross, side, behind side, heel, ball, cross, side, quarter, sailor step, restart, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn He Would. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
to the meat.